Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a GMC Envoy. This is a straightforward process that most people can complete in about 10 to 15 minutes per side. You will only need a few basic tools. Make sure you have your replacement headlight bulb ready, typically a 9006 for the low beam. A flat blade screwdriver and a pair of pliers will also be very useful for releasing the headlight assembly. Now let's get that headlight assembly out. First, pop open your hood. Look directly above the headlight you want to replace. You'll see two small tabs. Simply pull these tabs straight up to unlock the assembly. If they're a bit stubborn, a pair of pliers can give you the extra grip needed. Once those tabs are up, gently slide the entire headlight assembly forward and out of its slot. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Disconnect the wiring harness by prying up a small tab with your screwdriver. If there's a rubber boot, carefully remove it. Now, grasp the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise about 90 degrees. It should then pull straight out. When inserting your new bulb, hold it by its plastic base to avoid touching the glass. Push it in and twist it clockwise until it feels firmly seated. You're almost done. Reconnect the wiring harness to the back of the headlight assembly. Carefully align the assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Once it's seated, push those two retaining tabs back down to lock everything securely. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. If needed, you can adjust the beam's angle using the adjustment screw on the back of the assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.